How to win your first listing as a new agent. Are you a new real estate agent struggling to get that first listing? 80% of new agents quit in their first year. And the main reason is they don't know how to get that first win. But here's the truth. Winning your first listing is easier than you think if you follow the right steps. Now in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to land that first client and start building your real estate career. You ready? Let's go. Number one, start with your sphere of influence. Your first listing is likely closer than you realize. Think about it. You already have a network of friends, family, and acquaintances who already trust you. You got to reach out to them. Let them know you're in real estate and you're ready to help them. But just don't say, do you know of anyone selling their home? Instead, you want to say, hey, I'd love to help you or anyone you know navigate the market. Who do you know that's thinking about selling? A National Association of Realtors found that 67% of sellers choose an agent based on a referral. Your network is gold. You got to tap into it. Number two, become a neighborhood expert. People trust agents who know the market inside and out. Pick a specific neighborhood or area that you want to work in and learn everything about it. Go look at houses, drive the streets, know the average home prices, recent sales, and market trends in that neighborhood. Now here's the kicker. Start door knocking or sending personalized letters to homeowners in that area. It's literally that easy. You gotta introduce yourself, share insights about the neighborhood, and offer free home valuations, even if they're not ready to sell. You're planting the seed for future business. Hey guys, Dave Panozzo. I just want to interrupt this video real quick and share with you something that has made me a lot of money. I am going to give away my free handbook to those who want to take their business to the next level. Now, take in mind, organization, having your priorities straight. These are key components of being a rock star, and I want you guys to be a rock star. So there's a number below. Click on that. Say free planner, and I'm going to send you a free copy. Now, step three, host open houses for other agents. One of the fastest ways to meet potential sellers is by hosting open houses for other agents. We do this on our team all the time. Here's why this works. You get direct access to buyers who might need to sell their home before buying a new one. It's also a chance for you to showcase your professionalism and build a network with neighbors who might be considering to sell. Now listen, at this open house, introduce yourself to every visitor and offer valuable insight about the local market. Here's a great example. Say, even if you're not ready to sell, I'd love to give you some free home valuations so you can see what your property is worth in today's market. This builds a relationship and positions you as the go-to agent in the area. Open houses are an incredible opportunity to get face-to-face with your potential clients. And this costs you absolutely nothing except your time. Number four, leverage client reviews and testimonials. Even as a new agent, you can build credibility through testimonials. If you've helped a friend, a family member, or even assisted another agent, ask for their feedback. People trust social proof. 92% of consumers read online reviews before even making a decision. That's why it's important to get reviews. Showcase your testimonials on your website, your email signature, or printed materials. The proof is always in the pudding. Even one or two great reviews can make you stand out to potential clients. And if you don't have reviews yet, offer free consultations or services like home valuations to build those first success stories. And step number five, follow up like a pro. Here's where most agents drop the ball. They don't follow up. Did you know that 80% of sales requires at least 5 follow-ups? If someone shows interest, don't let them slip away. Follow up with a personalized email, call, or text, or even a postcard. Show them you're proactive and committed to their needs. Winning your first listing isn't about luck, it's about strategy. Tap into your network, become the neighborhood expert, host open houses, leverage testimonials, and master the art of follow-up. Now it's your turn. Which of these steps will you take first? I want to see them. Drop in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on building your real estate career. Your first listing is closer than you think. Let's make it happen. And as always, let's make it a great day.